Holy cow, it's been a heat wave. We're finally getting rain, but it's not raining yet. So here's the deal. I'm at home here and I'm running a computer business for today. I got a couple things to do, a couple calls to do, but I can't do them today. We got this customer. This is like a little rant here. We got this customer, and this has nothing to do with the RV business, just with the computer business. We had a customer call in, and he's from New York. And not that New York's bad, but this is where he's from. I'm just telling you the details. We're on your plan. So we have a computer business. We charge $120 a year for unlimited support. That's thunder. We have unlimited support, okay? And we charge $50 to get on the program. Well, he didn't want to pay the $50. We've been trying to call him for the last 3 months to renew his credit card because it never renewed. So he said, Joe told me, you know, we don't have to, Joe told me he's going to do clean up on my computer. I'm like, well, yeah, you fell off the plan 3 months ago. We've called him 3 times. I've called him, Joe's called him, and Heather's called him to get back on the plan. He says, I'm busy, and he hung up the phone. Just rudely. So he calls today, and he goes, well, I'm still on the plan. Heather goes, I'm looking in the books, and you're not, sir. It's $49 to get back on the plan and $120 for the unlimited support. And I think that's pretty fair for United States technicians, don't you? Unlimited, anything with your computer. And then he's like, well, I don't think I'm going to renew next year, but sign me up for this year. And he said that 3 times in a conversation. So I grabbed the phone out of Heather's hand and I said, sir, I appreciate you being a customer for a long time, but that's my wife you're talking to. I don't care if this is unprofessional. You don't treat us like that because we bend over backwards to give you service for the last 3 years. I'm looking at it. And Joe does an awesome job. Then he tried to throw Joe under the bus saying, Joe says I was still on the plan. So he's lying. He doesn't want to pay the service fee to get back on, and he's telling off my wife, Heather. So I'd about lost it on him. Doodle, snap out of it.
Oh, that's a stinky truck. Did he just put his cigarette down? He put his cigarette on his truck and walked in the store. A lit cigarette, didn't put it down. He put a lit cigarette on the truck, and stinky truck, by the way, and just went in Tractor Supply.
So guys, I went in Harbor, and I know they're cheap, but guess what? They're light. I do this for a reason. These are bottle jacks, and I bought 2 of them because they were like $22 on sale for $17. I got 20% off. And what I'm going to use these for is the slides because I didn't have any jacks before, and these are only 4-ton. I did the smaller ones on purpose because I only need about 500 pounds on each jack, and these can hold 4 ton. That's like 8,000 pounds, right? So there's 16,000 pounds I can pick up, but I don't need to. All I have to lift is about 1,000 pounds, 1,500 pounds. But it has to be an even lift. So that's why I got 2, one on each side of, just like that last call we did, if you watch our videos. So little cheap bottle jacks, that's all you need. Harbor, lift your slide up. You just got to position them right. You got to put a board in. You got to do it right. Buttercup, what do you think?
I think it's a good deal.
I put Marvel and Mistral in the car and in the truck because they're both acting funny, and I put motor treatment in just to get the water out. And I'm looking in the paper for, I'm going to keep that truck, and I'm going to get a Sprinter with the dual wheels with the high top and the stretch because this truck is just too small. It's too small. I want to put a little desk in there so I can look up parts with the laptop, do invoicing, and that truck just has no power. I got to hold it to the floor every gear just to take off. Going up a hill, I got to drop it down to 3rd and just punch it and rev the heck out of it just to go anywhere. So I'm tired of that. And I think it burns more fuel when you're really pushing the motor. So you're probably burning as much as the van will burn on a 4-cylinder because it feels like I go 30 minutes, it takes a quarter tank of gas. An hour, it takes a quarter tank of gas. And I don't know if an hour is good for a quarter tank of gas. I don't know. Depends on the size of the tank, I guess. But well guys, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Nothing interesting today. I'll show you how we do the trees tomorrow if the guy shows up. And yeah, that's it. So I like and share this video. I appreciate everybody liking and sharing the videos, and that's the biggest thing. It's like you don't have to do, I mean, thank you for being Patreon too, donator, but you don't have to do that. All you got to do is like and share. That would support us. Matter of fact, I'd like that more if you like and share the videos, because then it would get us out there. So have a good one. Love y'all, and we'll see you tomorrow.